Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Form 2025-26 Notification Apply link. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Form 2025-26. The Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Notification 2025-26 has been announced by the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, JNV. Candidates also search it as Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Online Form. Apply online for Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission 2025-26 via www.navodaya.gov.in. Applicants who want to apply for Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Notification should check out the complete details which mentioned below. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Form 2025-26 Overview. Organization Name: Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, JNV. Name of the exam: Class 9th, number of seats 653. Application mode: online. Qualification: Class 8th. Selection mode: entrance exam. Application fees: no fee. Official website: www.navodaya.gov.in. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Notification. Are you also waiting Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th Class Admission Notification? If yes, then now you can apply your form. Because today the NVS has released the notification for the 9th class admission. For more news and updates recruitment, read the section given below. Because the notification is released for waiting candidates. Also, on this page, check the complete details of Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th class admission, like the starting date of the application form, eligibility details, fee pay scale, etc. Important dates: start date for apply online, 1st October 2024. Last date for apply online, 30th October 2024. Exam date: 8th February 2025. Application fee: SC, ST, General all candidate, no application fee. Age limit: date of birth of the candidate must be between 1st May 2010 to 31st July 2012, both days inclusive. This is applicable to all categories of candidates including those who belong to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th class admission eligibility. Only those candidates who are bona fide residents of the district concerned where wish to apply and should have resident of the same district. Only those candidates who are bona fide residents studying Class 8 during the academic session 2024-25 in one of the government recognized schools of the district where the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is functioning and where admission is sought are eligible. District of residence and district of Class 8 study should be same in respect of candidates who desire to apply for admission to Class 9, Session 2025-26 in the JNV located in the same district. Who is not eligible for admission? The students who have already passed Class 8 in previous academic sessions are not eligible. Candidates whose date of birth does not lie between 1st May 2010 to 31st July 2012, both days inclusive. District of Study Class 8 and District of Residence is different. School of Study Class 8 is not government recognized of the district where the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is functioning and where admission is sought. If the candidate has already applied for lateral entry test in the previous academic session. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th class exam pattern. Date of examination Saturday, 8th February 2025. Duration 2.5 hours. However, in respect of candidates with special needs, Divyang, additional time of 50 minutes will be provided. Center for examination shall be the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya of the district concerned. Any other center allotted by NVS. Medium of language for examination will be English Hindi. Students have to answer in OMR sheet. Composition of Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th class test. The selection test will consist of questions from the subjects of mathematics, general science, English, and Hindi. The difficulty level of the test paper shall be of class 8. How to apply for admission in class 9th in Navodaya Vidyalaya? The candidate can fill the online application form directly on NVS website www.navodaya.gov.in. Last date to apply for Class 9 lateral entry selection is 30th October 2024. Candidates' parents are advised to go through the notification cum prospectus before applying and ensure the fulfillment of eligibility criteria. Please note that selection test is against the vacant seats only. Subject to availability of accommodation in the JNV concerned, the following documents in soft form, JPG. Format of size between 10 to 100 kilobits may be kept ready for registration, photograph, signature of parent and signature of candidate. Basic details of candidate like state, district, residence and study, Aadhaar number, study details of class 8, Apar ID pen, address etc. are to be filled in the application portal. The eligible candidates have to fill up the online form and upload the photograph along with signatures of both candidate and his/her parent. Online platform is an open source and free of cost. Application may be submitted from any source like desktop, laptop, mobile, tablet etc. Navodaya Vidyalaya 9th class admission important links, available comment box.